I just need a break from all this noise.
You came? I was just finishing this little fellow.
Grandpa, I need your secret. How are you so? Calm.
The secret is in here. You just have to find it.
Like this? It's just a block of wood.
Not a cut, a caress. Feel the grain. You were trying to force it. You must listen first.
How? How did you see that?
I didn't see it. I felt it. The wood told me. There you are. Almost. There.
Wow. I made this.
It belongs here. With its family.
It's... not as good as yours.
It's so quiet.
Thank you, Grandpa. For everything.